Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to create project WBS activities and how we can give duration to activities in MS Project. So let's get started. First, let's look about what is project. Project is basically temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or a result, okay? And a WBS is basically the process of subdividing project work into a smaller, more manageable component, okay? So this is what the project and the WBS. Now we'll do here an example project, and the project name will be Technical Vocational Training Center according to our calendar, okay? And under this project we have two main WBS substructure and superstructure, okay? This is also called as WBS level 1 or deliverables, okay? And under substructure we have two WBS as earthwork and concrete work, and this is called as WBS level 2, or you can say it as work package, okay? And under superstructure we have concrete work and masonry work, okay? Now, under all of these WBS, we have different kind of activities. Like under earthwork, we have excavation in foundation, we have backfilling, and under concrete work in substructure, we have PCC in foundation, RCC in foundation, and we have column necks. And under superstructure concrete work, we have grade beam, column in superstructure, top beam, and RCC slab. And under masonry work, we have brickwork in superstructure, okay? So this is a simple project that we will create in MS Project, okay? Now next to it, let's look about how we can give duration to activities, okay? So there are two methods to give duration to activities. One is client requirement and another is productivity. Now client requirement is basically if your client want to finish a project on a specific date, then you have to give duration randomly based on your experience, okay? And if you want to just give duration according to productivity, so let me just give you the example over here. Let's suppose we have an activity of plaster work and the total work is 40 square meter, okay? Now the productivity in our company for one mason and the helper productivity is 10 square meter for one day, okay? And our company can maximum supply two mason plus two helper for one day for this activity, okay? So this is a maximum unit, okay? Now the total duration will be equal to, as per our productivity, total work divided by productivity. And the total work, we know this is 40 square meter of plaster work, and the productivity will become what? 20, okay? 20 square meter for one mason and one helper, it is 10 square meter, okay? We are assigning two mason plus two helper for this activity, so it will become what? 10 plus 10 will make what? 20, okay? So 40 divided by 20 will make what? 2 days, okay? So we need 2 days to finish this activity. So this is how we can just give duration to activities based on productivity, okay? So hope you really understand this. Now let's open the software and do the same example over there. Now I have OpenMS project, and you can see here in the title I have saved this project as Tech Vocational Project, okay, or Technical Vocational Training Center. Now to save this project, you can simply go here in File and Save option, and you can give name to this project, okay? And this is the name of our project. And earlier we have created the calendar as well to this project. You can go here in the project, change working time, and we have TVTC calendar over here, okay? You can see over here, and we have assigned this calendar to here as well, okay? TVTC calendar, okay? And if you will go here in project information, we have assigned TVTC calendar over here, okay? So this is the same project. Now the next step will be we need to just create a project WBS and activities over here. So in this regard, we'll start from the activities, okay? First we need to just add all of the activities over here, then based on those activities we'll just create WBS, okay? So first activity over here is excavation in foundation. So I'll start here, excavation in foundation, okay? Now next to it, I'll just double click over here. Now next to it we have backfilling, okay? And next to it we have PCC in foundation, PCC in foundation, okay? And then we have RCC in foundation, and next to it we have column necks, and next to it we have superstructure work, and in superstructure work we have grade beams, grade beams. Okay, next to it we have column in superstructure. Okay, so in superstructure. Okay, next to it we have top beam and RC slab. Okay, top RCC slab, and we have finishing sorry, masonry work as well. So brickwork in superstructure. Okay, so these all are activities, okay, for this project. Now next step will be we need to just create the WBS, okay, on a level 2. You can say it as work package. Okay, so we have a 4 WBS over here. We have earthwork, concrete work for substructure, and we have concrete work and masonry work for superstructure as well. Okay, so for earthwork, you can see here under earthwork we have two activities: excavation in foundation and backfilling. So we have different kind of options, okay, to create WBS. So the first option here will be we need to just go here in the task, okay, and we need to select those tasks on which we want to just create a WBS. Let's suppose I want to just create a WBS for earthwork. So in this regard, what I will do, I'll simply select both of these activities, excavation and foundation and backfilling. Okay, and then simply I'll click on this summary option. Okay, now you can see here WBS has been created. Under this we have excavation in foundation and the backfilling. Okay, and I'll simply name this WBS as earthwork. Okay, so this is how we can create. Now next there is one another way to create WBS. Let's suppose we have next WBS for PCC in foundation, RCC in foundation, and the column next as concrete work. Okay, so in this regard I'll just use another method. So I'll select this one. Let's suppose on the top of this I want to create a WBS. I'll right click and I'll go here in insert task option. Okay, so tasks has been inserted over here. Next to it I'll just go here in the task menu, then I'll just outdent it to the left, okay, as left as possible. Okay, now I'll just give name to it as concrete work. Okay, so this is one another way. And then what we will do, I'll select all of these activities, okay, where I want to just put these activities under this WBS. Okay, I'll select all of these. Then we have one of the option in task menu as indent task to right. Okay, click over here. Now it's been converted into WBS. You can see over here. Okay, so this is the another way. Now next to it we need to just create a WBS for grade beams, column in superstructure and top beam. Okay, and we have RCC slab over here for concrete work in superstructure. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll select all of these. Let's suppose I'll select all of these from here. Okay, remember from column. Okay, and then simply I'll just go here in summary. This is an easy way to create WBS. Okay, and I'll just name it as concrete work. Okay, next we need to just create a WBS for this one as masonry work. Okay, so we have just created these WBS. Now it is time to create a WBS as deliverables or level 1. So for substructure we have what? Earthwork and concrete work. Okay, so I'll select all of this. This all work, earthwork, concrete work is under substructure. So I'll select all of this. Then I'll go here in summary task. Okay, and you can see over here we have just this as substructure. Okay, and you will notice a change over here. Okay, now this concrete work and the masonry work is under what? Superstructure. So I'll select all of this, then I'll go here in summary and I'll select here superstructure. Okay, so this is how we can create WBS or multiple WBS. Okay, so we have substructure and we have superstructure over here. Okay, you can see over here, and I'll click on this one to extend this substructure and earthwork and the concrete work, and under superstructure we have concrete work and masonry work. Okay, now next to it what we need to do is we need to just add here a project summary task. Okay, in which it will automatically detect the project name from here. Okay, and it will add over here. So what we need to do over here is we need to go here in the format, and here you can see we have one of the option as project summary task. Check this one, okay? And now you can see the project name over here, and it's automatically detect the name from here as we have saved the name as technical vocational project, okay? So it's been added over here, okay? Technical vocational project, and we have substructure, earthwork, concrete work, superstructure, concrete work, and masonry work. Now next to it, it is a time to just give duration to activity, so I'll just give a duration as randomly. Let's suppose for excavation in foundation we need 2 days. For backfilling it is 1 day, okay? For PCC and foundation 2 days. RCC we have some 4 days. Column next we have some 3 days, okay? So this is just an example. Grade beam 3 days. Column in superstructure 4 days, okay? Top beam we have some 6 days, and RCC 8 days, okay? And this for 15 days, okay? So this is how we can just give duration to the activities as well. So this is how we can create project WBS and activities in MS project, and this is how we can give duration to activities. Next we'll look about how we can give relationship to activities, okay? And what are the types of relationship. Hope you really understand this session. We'll see you in the next.